you start dissipating it. Most other creatures in society reproduce probably only in the season, which is probably once or twice in a year, which is depending on what their cycles are. As humans, we probably end up reproducing once or twice in your lifetimes. Okay? But dissipation, depending on what age group you are at, depending how deeply you are addicted to lust as a frequency, the dissipation is as high as couple of times a day to couple of times a week, depending on where you are on your age line. Correct? You are creating only around 30 to 40 ml per month, but dissipating 20 to 30 ml every time you dispense. Okay? You see the imbalance, the energetic imbalance. That is why most human beings age so much faster. Okay? Yoga, Ayurveda talks about brahmacharya. It's not literal sense brahmacharya. One, purification of thoughts from that level, where you are not harassed by sexuality. Okay, that is not the only thought on your mind. Okay, if you ask me personally, the thought of it should not cross your mind probably even more than once in a month at best. Okay, but if you observe the way how the current society is and where it is crossing in men every 7th minute as a thought. Okay, in women every 6.5 to 7 minutes again, or 9 minutes, depending on what prakriti they are, depending on where they are in their lifespan. This is the major imbalance. This is how we are dissipating 10 times faster than what you are able to produce. And then you want to blame your food, then you want to still eat more nutritious food. Everything that you know is out of whack and out of balance. Okay. Brahmacharya literally means not dissipating. But again, not with a jabardasti. Okay. Your inner purification has to be so heightened. Again, वो घूम फिर के जितना भी मैं बताता हूँ ना, वो घूम फिर के I can bring it back to चुपचाप यहाँ पे आ जाओ. ये करोगे ना, वो थॉट आना भी बंद हो जाएगा, डिसिपेशन का एक्ट भी बंद हो जाएगा, लस्ट सताना भी बंद कर देगा. ठीक है? Automatically that same whatever you're producing starts becoming purified. In Ayurveda, in yoga also we call something as alchemy or Rasayan Tantra. Okay, which is alchemically changing the quality of a metal into a higher metal. Technically the chemical composition doesn't change, but it's जैसे भी singing bowls. Singing bowls बना किसमें से है? तो कि copper and tin है. हाँ, no doubt there is a micro touch of gold, silver, copper, tin, lead, mercury, iron. वो सब चीज है उसमें proper composition में. These are my formulations. I get them made. They are the best bowls in the entire world that you can come across. इसके ऊपर का quality नहीं मिलेगा आपको. What is it? It's an alchemical process of making them in a slow burning coal fire over 3.5 to 4 days. उसको slow burning process से जैसे जलाओगे तो उसका जो धातु बनता है, it is so soft, so beautiful. The moment it rings, it will take you to Gandharva Loka. Correct? It takes you into angelic realm. The same way, the same Shukra Dhatu, if you refine it and if you make it Urdhva Neta slowly, which is exactly what I said, from the kidneys, the essence also with the information and the virtues can travel upwards only with this breathing. Correct? ये कल मैंने बताया. The moment that starts happening, you start automatically shining. And then people say, अरे पता नहीं, उसके बाजू में जाके खाली खड़े हो जाते हैं ना, सब solve हो जाता है. What is it? Because that person is emitting that frequency, that vibration. You don't have to speak, you don't have to ask, you don't have to do anything. Just the presence is more than sufficient. इन लोग कितनी बार टाइम वेस्ट करने को आते हैं क्लिनिक, मालूम रहता है मेरे को कुछ नहीं है, आता है ना. Yes or no? another dear friend, Punita करके. She lives in Worli. क्लिनिक में है. Okay, I may come around. I'm like वर्ली से इधर आने वाली कुछ काम से. She will make up a बहाना, नहीं जुहू पे काम है. I know कोई काम नहीं रहता है. ठीक है. Something might have happened. She will come. She will sit in complete silence. ठीक है. Sometimes I am doing my work. I'm like, तुम तुम्हारा करो, मैं मेरा क्लिनिक बिजी है भाई, सबके लिए टाइम नहीं रहता है. वो आएगी, बैठेगी, एक कोना पकड़ के, if she needs to weep, she will weep it out. ब्रीदिंग करेगी, बोली हो गया, चेक कर, हो गया. It's just the presence, it's just the vibration, the resonance. What did I say? The lower raises itself automatically to meet the higher. It is never the other way around. Getting it? People ask me, do you do home visits? I'm sorry boss, भगवान तुम्हारे घर पे चल के नहीं आता है, तुमको आना पड़ेगा मंदिर तक. Getting this? Okay. Let's do this. Breathing 50 times. एकदम शांति से.
One more thing.
Yes.
Let's say
how is it getting produced again? अग्नि, उसका काम ही है सब धातु. तो साम दोषे साम अग्नि, साम दोषे साम धातु, साम मल आरोग्य. करेक्ट. बॉडी का तो वो काम है, वो बेचारा करते रहेगा. वो आज जवाब नहीं देगा.
ओके.
ठीक है. वो आज जवाब नहीं देगा.
तो मजदूरी करवा रहे हो उससे.
मजदूरी करवा रहे हो उससे. ठीक है. हाँ, तुम्हारा अग्नि से ही है, तो वो बेचारा प्रोडक्शन चालू रखेगा. अग्नि जो दिन मंद हुआ, ठीक है, तो कहीं कोई एक धातु में जाके उसका फिल्टरेशन आगे का बंद हो जाता है. ओके. सो पीपल कम, लेट्स से, देखो शुक्र धातु का वीकनेस तो बहुत 90% लोगों में मिलता है. नाड़ी चेक करो, मैं पकड़ के बोलता हूँ, सो मेनी मेन कम टू द क्लिनिक. वो बाकी 4 चीज बोलेंगे, स्पेशली डॉक्टर्स हु कम. एक डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट आते हैं, ही गिव्स विद बर्निंग फीट, बोलता है बर्निंग फीट, आई एम डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट, इसको क्या करूँ, सॉल्व करके दे. पकड़ा, अंकल सॉल्वेबल, चालू किया, 15 दिन में फ्री, बर्निंग फीट स्टॉप. देन विदाउट वाइफ ही केम. Wife is also a doctor. Daughter is also a doctor. Without wife, without kids, Sunday morning 8:30 बजे का अपॉइंटमेंट लेके चुपचाप आए. बोला बाकी तो सब ठीक है. बोला क्या हो गया फिर? लैक ऑफ वाइटलिटी. इसको सॉल्व करके दे. हमने इसके लिए डायबिटीज को भी रिवर्स करना पड़ेगा. करने को तैयार हो गया. बोला हाँ, डन. Did that. It took month and a half. Vitality came back. And then I had to tell him, I'm like, look boss, you are 60 plus. Okay. थोड़ा लिमिट में. Okay. You cannot keep abusing your body. You will have to refine the mind. That is how it is.
उसके ऊपर एक जोक है ना, 90-year-old man. He says कि वो चेक करता है डॉक्टर, बताया तो बराबर है. What about sex life? तो बोलते हैं thinking about it or
dreaming about it. Dreaming about it. Okay. Can we do the?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic.